Hey everyone, in this video we'll be discussing how to group selectors in CSS to make your code more efficient and easier to maintain. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html set up to point to an external CSS file. If not, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as create a separate file called styles.css inside a folder called CSS. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code used in this video. So alternatively, you can grab the code from there to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open as well. Now over in the styles.css, let's remove the existing CSS that we added from the previous videos and replace it with new ones to turn the H1 heading and the paragraph text orange. Grouping selectors in CSS is a way to apply the same styles to multiple HTML elements at once. Instead of writing the same styles for each element separately, you can group them using a comma-separated list of selectors. And that's how you use grouping selectors in CSS. By grouping selectors together, you can make your code more efficient and easier to maintain. It's always good practice to group selectors, especially if you're working on a large project with a lot of styles. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.